Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Catsell Create, and I am coming on with the cute project share today. So I wanted to show you these. I made these yesterday and I wanted to show you how I made them. So we're going to make this little cute bunny one, okay? And let me go ahead and show you first what we used, okay? So I used these. I did get these last year at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 and I'm pretty sure I got these on clearance. So this is what they look like, and this is what they do. They actually wrap around a candy, like a little one, basically like a, what is it, a Snickers or just a candy wrap. Anyway, so I wanted to show you how I did this. So I cut this little paper, and it is a 1x3, and it's gonna fit this Hershey nugget, okay? So what I did, I cut it to the size, and then all you do is just wrap it in there. And I put a tape over here already, as you could see. Okay, I had this prepared for you guys. Okay, so you wrap it there. I apologize if I am not in frame. And that's it. So there you go. Okay, so what I did with that as well, I went ahead and put a piece of tape across right here. It's a double-sided tape, and then this is what I came up with. So this little frame right here, it measures about 2.5 and 3 and 2 and 3/4, and then I'm using these little bags right here. These are my little bags that I actually did like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the size again, and I did get these at Amazon, okay, if you guys want to look them up. So once I did that, I have it like this, and then I cut a topper, and that topper is about 1.5 and 3.5. So all I do right here is just fold it in half, and then I did fold this a little bit like that because it is a little too big, but it works. Excuse me. And then I stapled this right here, and there you go. So for the bunny right here, all I do is get my ATC gun and wrap this around it. There you go. Put this in here, right there. Oops, I was supposed to cut it here, so I do apologize. Let me go ahead and cut that now. If it's too big, make sure you just cut it to the right size. Oh. Same as here. So do that before you do this, okay? And then there you go. You just fold it in there, fold it in there, and there you go. Just embellish it right there. And what I did with, like I did with this one, and you put a little pom-pom for the tail. So let me go ahead and do that right now. I have my glue right here. Oops. Let me put that there. And now the bunny has his small little tail. And there you go. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick. Hopefully it wasn't a long video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. And anyways, you guys have an awesome, blessed day, and we will see you on our next video. Thank you, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.